In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4830. Let's get started. From the main menu, press the home button. If you don't see this menu appearing, you're gonna drag all the way towards the right until you tap on settings. Then select general settings, go down, system administration, tap on this. Then you have restore default settings. Tap on this, and here you can reset specific things about this printer. So if you simply want to reset the Wi-Fi, you can select network settings, press yes, and you'll be able to reset only that part and the rest of your personal data will still stay in. Or if you want to do a full factory reset and you don't want just to reset the Wi-Fi, the copy machine, the scan machine, or the fax, well, down below you have clear all data and settings. Tap here and then select yes. It will, as it says here, it may take a few minutes, and at the end your printer will be factory resetted. You'll have to set it up again with your Wi-Fi, with all the devices that were connected, because it will be like a brand new machine. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like. Also check my Amazon links down below if you want to get a brand new printer or some ink compatible with this printer, some paper or any other things. Thanks, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.